Aloha everyone, how are you? Today it's me, Charlie, and I'm here reviewing this Sursip cup. Let me show it to you. Now it holds 50 ounces of liquid. It is big, and it's got a nice sturdy handle on it. I like that. I can get a good grip on it. Now here it is, it's full of iced tea. I've only used it for iced drinks, and it holds up well, especially here on the beach. When it's hot, the ice melts very slowly in this. Now this handle, it's got a strong handle. It's got a really secure lid, no leaks. Let me show you that. Now it says it has 3 functions. It's got a sip function, it's that, because this little air hole button here is closed. But if you open it up like that, then it turns into a gulping function. And it's pretty cool. I really like this. It's really worked well for me. I've been using it a lot. I had cold beer in this and it stayed cold for a long time. This is iced tea. I haven't used it for hot liquids. I did brew the tea bags in this with hot water, but I haven't used it for hot tea or anything. After it was done, after the brewed tea was done, I made it into iced tea. My favorite, with lemon and some sugar. Okay, well that's it. It's by Sursip. Let me show you the company. And it's really good. It has this tapered bottom so you can carry it in your car holder. And it's worked out really well. It's really easy to clean. This lid is very secure. It doesn't pop off or anything. And once you lock that, you have to push this part, this little tab here, down pretty hard. It might be because this is new, but when you push it down hard, it secures it. Oops, I forgot the other one. The little air hole, just a moment. There you go. So when both of them are closed, no leaks. And I think that's great. All right, well, that's my review on this. I really like it a lot. I use it a lot. This is my favorite cup now. All right, for your friend Maui, sincerely Charlie. Mahalo.